In this video, we will learn how you can disable certain Google Workspace applications. So go to admin.google.com, click on Apps, and then here you can see all of the Google Workspace applications. And let's say we want to disable AppSheet. So you can click on this app and then you can turn it off. So once I hit the save, it will turn it off. Similarly, I can turn off the Google Chat over here. I can click on this icon and then I can say, hey, both turned off or chat only. So this is how you can disable the applications for your users. Again, you go to the home and from here you go on to the app section. You can either click on the overview and from here also you can manage them. So for example, I can turn it off from here, or you can go inside a specific application. For example, I can go inside Google Chat and then I can turn it off. Alright friends, so this is how you can turn on or off Google Workspace applications.